Greetings, YouTube, and our little bit of followers that we're hoping to expand on. One of our favorite things we do when we travel here at Journey of Kings Travel Vlog is fly our drones and get some awesome footage. And right now we're using a Mavic Pro. You're seeing lights because you're not recording. And there's the Mavic.
Oh, you got to record?
Mavic, baby. And by the way, we are in the beautiful Negril, Jamaica. We got D and Gabe, two of my fellow King travelers. And we're seeing what's going on with the Mavic here. So stay tuned. We will be posting some more things to the channel. We'll be editing down some nice video. We got lots of trips that we haven't even posted yet. That was Gabe. And as you can see, we like to have fun. We like to get the footage, man. The footage, man. Look at that. Yeah. Nice.